Alright. Oh. Okay, my cam is doing well. I fucked around with the cam a bit and I was like, ooh, maybe it doesn't work. So, with that said, hello Nigma, hello MBE. Yes, Nigma is literally a day-long waiting room in the Discord. He is an absolute unit, streaming his work, and I love it. Alright. He live. Or he live, I don't know. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I am ironically so bright, optimistic today. That's great. Hello Stan. Hello Rust. Hello everyone. So, today, another surprise from none other than Absolute Unit MBE. So let's start with that. Let's start with the unit commit that we've got here. Let me just un-F the shit out of my desktop and I'll be able to share. Alright. I would do that 24/7 if every day is a holiday. I don't need to worry about bus time. That was a waste of precious hours. I just want to work! That's fair. That is fair. So yesterday, we talked about the fact that the strings were, well, they were displayed like shit. So, MB said, I'll take care of it. Now, he sent the picture, and I'm not going to spoil, but it looks pretty fucking good, okay? It looks, ooh, it looks good. So, yeah, you know what? Let's not spoil anything and just try to execute it. Just try to execute it. And we also should, I'm talking pretty much only to MBE here, we should probably start splitting, like different parts of the program in different files. We're probably hitting a point where there's some value to it because our files are so fucking huge. Probably handle that soon. Alright, what is it? It's get bull? Yeah, it's bull. Alright. What is that I'm seeing? String wrangler dot py. Alright. So let's do the dumb thing that I do, which is copy over things from the actual repo to the right place. Oh, IKEA man is back. Imagine if I have suddenly worked with Python and suddenly I just push your whole project into completion. That would, you know what? That would be an absolute, like, mic drop move. And you know what? I wouldn't even be angry. Alright, this, and I'll also need the actual thing. What's the name? String. I mean, copy the file. Alright. I should probably just do like a star to copy everything. But it would copy the .git, so it would be fucked. Yeah, nah. Talking to myself here. Alright. Let's go. That's fair. Alright. So, is there any option that I need to do, or can I just do this? Woo! Wait. Oh. Wait a second. We're gonna let it display whatever the fuck it wants. Ooh boy. Oh shit, I made a standard thing. Okay, who cares? Look at this. Look at this box. That looks so good. I love it. I love it so much. Wow. Oh my god. Sorry, my nose is... We have box. Oh, now where are we going to use box? We need to use box. I join and I see this text mess. Brother, project is going well. By the by, everybody that's here, subscribe to the new channel. Tomorrow, I'm streaming off the new channel, not this one, alright? So subscribe. But we're actually getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Alright, let's go show all my docs. And copy over what we need. Alright. Let's get started. Let's cook. Thought for the day. Kinda crazy that intelligence need entire nuclear reactor output, but actual intelligence needs coffee, cigarette, or cocaine. AI. Oh. Well, I mean, technically, like, if we're honest, the AI processes so much more shit. It's just that our brain goes off a bunch of heuristics, and we're actually living in, like, lie land. There's a reason why propaganda works pretty easily, and people seeing shit on Twitter makes them feel like they were there. Like, our brain is bypassing a lot of things that we think it does. But it is indeed pretty insane. Like, the amount of power that this shit does. Absolutely, our brain do so much hallucinations. It's unhinged. Like, I feel like I'm lucky because I don't really have the ability to like close my eyes and think about things, not like see things when I close my eyes. I know that people are able to visualize things, but that's not my... I'm not able to do that. So I feel like a lot of people, like, they feel like they can see things that are not true. They close their eyes. Oh yes, I was there. It happened. And it's like, brother, you're thinking about something that you saw on Twitter. No, I can't. There's a name for this. I think it's, I hope I'm not having this wrong. It's aphantasia. It's the inability to be able to visualize something visual. Like, because when I say visualize, there's different part of the brain for visualization. I still got the 3D part in my brain, so I'm able to... It won't make any sense to you, but I'm able to feel 3D objects, but I'm not able to see them. So if you ask me to, like, think about a cube, I can feel the cube. I cannot see the cube. So... Anyway, enough yapping. So... Not 101... Hello, Cardian. I don't know, did I say hello, Stan? I think I did. Wanna make sure to say hello to everybody. You're not special relative to everything else in reality. True? Alright. So. Where the fuck did you put the thing in Maine? Brain. Oh. Oh. Okay, I got it. Shit. Here, okay. In Maine. Oh, that's great. Where did you put the thing in Maine? In Maine. Intelligence is the ability to know when you are hallucinating. I think that yes, it's that's pretty much the thing. What's the mission for today? Actually, I'm starting to write a bit more. Whoops, didn't want to show that, but who cares? I'm starting to like write a bit more what I want to do for today inside of the KernelInfo channel. So throughout the day, I kind of realized that we could pass all the CLang compiler arguments to Syndex, because what we're actually doing is we're using literal parts of the compiler to like process the text. So we had an issue yesterday where we were like, wait, what the fuck? There's no error, but Syndex actually like replaced some text because it is not able to like have an issue. Fuck, let's phrase this correctly. Syndex is placing things, is changing things in the text, but it's not pushing an error or a warning. It's not pushing shit. So we don't know that it did it, but it did it. So this forced us to parse the whole file to find the places where we knew it could fail to make sure to like fix it. But the truth is, if we can just have Syndex tell us, hey, I fucked up there, please fix. We're cool, right? That's all that we need. You sound burdened by confusion. Yes. I was confused. Having a map helps to go where you want to go. Yes. So that's the thing, okay? I want to test new arguments, and then after that, I also want to see the severity of the errors, because to my knowledge, we only see real errors and not warnings, which is kind of fucked. But we'll see. We'll see. So just comment that out. This is so cool. I love it. Oh, okay. This is another thing. Okay, we'll leave that one there. All right. So, all right. Default mode is boxed plus indent. Other mode are boxed indent. I like them so much. I need to think before spamming them. I need to think, okay? Comment also the def random line. If I do that, oh, I'll need to do it for all of them. I'll just leave it there. You're right. It's useless. Whoops, I indented. Wait. Bro. No, because if I do this, it will, like, bug for the whole thing, no? Oh, but I can do, like... Alright. Python! Okay. Well then, if it helps, I'm looking at a freaking cube, crystal, and outer arcanine. Good luck, brother. Okay, we're going to comment it all. All right. Cubic, not cube. Brother, I cannot read. You can clearly hear that I'm sleepy. And God knows when I'm sleepy. Oh boy, oh boy. Ah yes, the cube. Otherwise, I don't know if it is important. We won't know if it is. True, MB, true. Bro, I don't know anything about your fucking crystals, okay, Nigma? Nigma, I don't know if you're a crazy crystal lady right now, or if you're talking about actual components. I don't know anything about it, okay? I love you. I love you real good. But holy shit. I don't know. Is this still calling the same thing? Oh yes, it does. Ooh. Ooh, wait. Wait, where the fuck am I? Oh, but it's going to do the box thing. Ah, who gives a shit? Let's give it a try. Let's do the W all thing. Look, I have no idea what the args do, so we're gonna have to cook it the fuck up. Oh, wait. Something did not save. Ah. Okay. I love the box. Wait. I did not save again. Oh, this is unhinged. I'm so racist, bro. Stan is like, fun fact, silicon crystal wafers used for chips are produced in a process made by a Polish guy. And all I think is like just a quintessential Polish guy just looking at a polished rock, and he's like, the rock is fucked. Bro, I'm too sleepy for this shit. Oh, okay. Hello, boss. Yes, Michael. I'm starting to go a freaking truck fucked. Tree agreement. Yeah, I should probably use indent here. Although I like how it's printing as if we had an actual like TUI. TUI? Alright, let's... When you say that it takes argument, do you literally mean like argument or if mode? Ooh. Okay, we're kind of cooking here. We're kind of cooking. Okay. Where the fuck am I? This is why I'll split things in different files. Holy. Alright, so this would work. Polish guy says, it's Polish time, then he polished the rock. Do you believe that crystals have magical powers? No. Then you good. Whoops, I fucked something up. Oh. Okay, that one is kind of funny. They don't have to be old. They just have to... Oh my god, this is so good! Holy shit! I know you are in the crystal as circuit. Text wall, yeah. You want to see text wall? This is text wall. And 99% of this shit works, okay? I'm proud. Don't look at this part, okay? Okay. So we still don't have the errors that I want to have, so let's actually harass the shit out of it. What was the other shit that I wanted to add into it? W error. Do I know what it does? Nah. Do I give a shit? Nah. Yes, but that's the issue, right? The array, we are able to parse it now, so we have everything to like correctly get the information from the array, but we don't have like a detection for the actual error, so it's still triggering. And right now, it doesn't seem like this bitch want to do anything about it. Because if we look, just to show you, like this was the array that we were bashing our heads against, and see, we have the inside of the array. So that's whoop whoop. All right. Yeah, we need to unfuck this. Why does my attempt to make it work don't work? Please display more error. Bro, I'll go drink some antifreeze. Holy. We had to reread. That's a great way to describe it, MB. Okay, we used what were... It's more unhinged than that, okay? It's worst. Let me just make sure that we're not flashbanging the fuck out of you guys. Okay. The process is unhinged. It's not fine. Can I have a sked? Wherever the fuck it is? Please, thank you. Okay. Alright. So, what we're doing is we're looking at every variable and we're taking its position, and what we're checking is, do I have a normal array? Shit. Oh fuck, another one that's broken. Alright, I'll make the example in here. Okay, that's unhinged. Okay, so let's say that we have this. Whenever we will parse it, it will say that the start is here and the end is here. So all that we have to do is to detect the character right after the end of the extent. And if it's an opening bracket, that means that it's an array. So then we can go on and try to detect and make sure that it's not a fucked array, because whenever, let's say that, let's use this as an example. Whenever it scanned this, whenever Syndex scanned this, it will end here and delete all of this. So we can just ask it, hey, go to the end of whatever the fuck you're reading, and it will go there, and then we scan the next character, and it will be this, and we're like, oh, so that means that you've skipped this. Ta-da! That's how it works. Oh, bro. My brain is too mush for this. Let's not focus. Okay. Let's also put the type of warning that we have here. Let's do something kind of dumb. Let's do def type of warning. Shit. Okay, so Syndex. With Syndex, we're able to know the type of warning that comes with diagnostics or whatever it's called. So here we go. We have these. Just copy that here. There's probably a way better way to do it, but who gives a shit? Alright, and let's make this pretty. Alright. Alright, so we seem to only be printing errors. And maybe this is from the fact that... bro, shut the fuck up. Maybe this is from the fact that we have a fatal error somewhere. KernelInfo. Alright, let's just go to other files and start trying shit. Because SCAD is probably the most complicated file I could use. Alright, what other bullshit did we have? Bind.h. I think bind.h works correctly. Right? At IKEA. It's a pretty good one. Okay, fuck us. Okay, fuck it. I don't need to read this. Now that we have something that loops over, let's bring back the actual file. Alright, okay. Shit. Started the wrong thing. Well, right now we only add error and fatal. And right now we have kind of an idea of... Like, this is literally... We don't know where the fuck it comes from, I think. Or maybe not, I'm a retard with this. File not found, fine. Okay, so in thread info, they're asking for this. Enigma, you little bitch. What amazing is you don't need to define them. They are already defined. Well, yes, but we don't see it, right? That's the point. The point of the function was to show them. Because when we do dot severity, it will only show a number, no? Are you telling me that I could have done this? Retard incoming! Retard! I like the wrong without a W. I am wrong. I'm wrong. R word. Oh, okay, Enigma, okay. Okay. We need to have an idea of what the fuck is inside of the include. Now, okay? Now. So it's asking for asm/threadinfo.h. So let's go dig for that shit. Include asm generic. Could we have threadinfo.h? Wah wah. Oh no. I know where it is then. It is here. So there's probably a rare group of necessary files. Well, some of these, I guess. Yeah. Let's just try to parse with the parser set as if we're parsing x86. Oh, of course I removed it. Of course. Fucking retard. I think we're going to need to delve into making the parse for each architecture. We could do something that detects whenever there's a failure of that type. Oh shit. Nah, we're getting somewhere we don't want to be. Thank you, MB. Well, I have an idea too. The idea could be to trick the include into including an almost empty file. Because if it's asking for like specific arch specific include, we could just like put literally nothing in them, leave them empty, and then it would give us some errors relating to the emptiness, but technically we should already be able to handle that. Stan, that's so based. Oh my god. I was going the other way, parsing all possibilities. Yeah, well, that's where I was going with the other solution yesterday, where we're doing multiple runs, right? We could just parse one time, get all the results that don't fail, and then like increment on that. Oh, that's true. But then you're essentially doing the same thing, right? So the issue that I was trying to fix here is the fact that whenever it does a file not found, it will do a fatal. It will be fatal, and it will just crash. So, oh, we're retarded. For sure, there is a compiler command for this. There's no way in hell that there's no compiler command for this. clang compiler arg not fail when missing an include. No, it is not, because the only thing that we're fixing is the actual file that we're looking at, not exponentially through the kernel. Bro, that's a little unhinged. I'll see. Yeah, but that's include deer. Wouldn't it fail? Okay, that could be an idea. I don't know if this will work. I'll just try it. I don't know. I don't want those to fuck me over, alright? Will this do magic? Do magic for me. Not wise. Old. Base. Fatal. Fuck us. Alright. Man, C-Lang++ would be computationally cheaper. Yes, and I would find absolutely fuck all. MBWare, I'm probably the oldest one here. Yes, my friend. But it's all good, it's all good. We love you still. I'm with you in spirit, okay? Oh, you can rage bait the fuck out of me. I'm all in. Okay, it will fatal even when we say to not fatal. So... like, first of all, why does it fail? Oh, it's generated. Alright, fuck us. That's true! Ah. No! I don't think that we grow older than that and mentally, right? It's not something that, like, it never fix. This won't be helpful, right? This is fucking retarded. I'm just trying shit at this point. Alright, we didn't do shit. Oh, fuck it. Okay, that looks cool, but... That's not what I want. Maple, since we can define stuff on the command line, just define the architecture for now. It still won't work because we're gonna have the... this problem comes back with generated things, right? So let's just... fuck, I just removed it. Look, I'll scroll up. So here you see we have the issue with thread info. But if we include thread info... oh, fuck me, bro. Anyway, believe me. Generated. It will fuck us. MV True. Okay. Okay then. On point. Okay. I think we should probably just fuck, there's no way that this doesn't exist. No, I'm not going to say unfuck this. And me. What about me? That's fair, Stan. The ignore missing header flag. If you are using CLang specifically for dependency discovery, like generating .d files for makefiles, and you don't want to fail if a header is missing, you can use -mg. Tells the preprocessor to treat missing header as generated file and assumes that it will exist later, then erroring out. Bro, that sounds exactly what I want. And I have the feeling that it won't fucking work because it's absolutely not what it is. But you know what? I'm in. Everybody wants MBT. Bro. No. What the fuck is even this? -mg requires -m. Isn't that in front? Am I retarded? Retardation unlocked. Okay, I'll drink some anti-freeze. I'll drink it. I'll drink it. Okay, so it's to do something completely different. F me, I guess. You know what? We're trying. We're memeing out here, okay? We're memeing it. We're memeing it. Go ahead, bitch. Based? Guardian, you fucking piece of shit, okay? I always open the documentation. No! Cooking. Guardian, clearly I'm never opening anything, okay? I'm trying some shit. The wall, okay? Just think, my program, that's the wall, that's my program, and that's me just Yeeting it at it. All right. F syntax only. Okay, so that's a default, I guess. So now would my dumb command actually do a thing? Like that? I want to see that. Oh shit, we've got a fuck ton of things. Okay. That's a funny one though. That's a funny one. Anyway. Okay, what the fuck is all of this? I fucking hate you. Based? Is this the thing? Ooh. I don't understand a thing. Alright. What happened yesterday? Drama. So... Maybe? Okay. So Nigma has often a vision in his head of how things are and how they should be. And if you don't hit exactly that vision, oh boy. You are not. You are absolutely not going to end up without one of these messages that sound like, okay, you're a retard, but it's alright. You're just lost, bro. So, yeah, it was pure rage bait for me. Not drama, but people not listening and talking about the different size for a thing for 15-20 minutes. True! Maple was losing his crap when he accidentally stared into the void, and it stared back. Also, he was the one that pulled it up. I still have no idea why it's so confusing for him. Go fuck yourself, bro. There was nothing confusing about this, okay? It was you not understanding that adding work in front of RAM doesn't give us any useful information. Thank you, okay? That's all. Okay. I'm sleepy enough to go into it, so I need to stop this. Okay. No, don't prime him again. Yes, Nigma, okay. I name boxes. When I move, I put something on the boxes. But when I write the thing, I won't write on the box. I will write what is inside of it and the useful information about it. So if my job is to move the thing and to make sure that we can eat, I will write cutlery or spoon, okay? Because I got a box full of spoons. Not as work. But I am not joking with that. Still questioning what is it? It is not a question of clicking! It is not a question of clicking, I understand! Okay. I love you, Nigma. You... Yes, that's a good example. Box of food and just adding to eat is kind of useless, right? We would just write box of food. Or food. And writing box of food to eat would be dumb. Because you are writing way too much. Yes, I understand, Nigma. Just food. True. Not the shipping company thing, okay? Based. Oh, I was waiting for that. Oh man. It just feels like... Okay, I'm encountering right now an infinite perpetual movement machine, okay? I'm just pushing it a little bit and it will spin forever. It's room. Do you mean that isn't RAM? Work RAM and VRAM? Okay, work RAM is based. Okay. The point that MBE and I are making is that stating that something is work RAM adds no value because RAM is always work RAM. When you refer to RAM, we are always referring to like memory, like in a computer. And 99% of the time, when we say RAM, we are not referring to VRAM because VRAM will be explicit. It's I do not know what I'm doing. Okay, let's not go into there again. Let's add DMA onto it. No, I'm good. Okay. Okay. I'm going to die. Okay, so we need to be able to, like... Well, no, we don't even need to. Wait a second. It's not a good thing that I know these by heart. Okay, where the fuck is this one? Okay, line 41. Brain? I need my bind.h. How can I fucking do anything whenever I read some based shit like that? Address LAN. Why does it give me a type int? Oh, fuck. We're back at it again. We probably had a bunch of errors because the parsing ended like beforehand. Okay. Let's add virtual L4 cache like in IBM Z16, Z17 mainframe. That's some based things, okay. Already told you yesterday that while I see your point, your view directly clashes into the idea of organized things. It is literally just a name. It's meant to separate things. Now, let's move on and not care about technicalities. That's a good enough description. Words are meant to give meaning, okay? They're meant to process, to send an idea. If your words are less efficient at sending ideas, they are bad. I could go for infinity, okay? I could go for infinity. I could... Okay. Okay. So this one is fucked, alright? This one does not work. Ain't working, bro. We're gonna need to know why. Alright, let's just remove this because I... Oh fuck, that's why we're having issues. Bro... Okay. Wait a second. I'm so sorry, but that's so laughable. The liberation of Warsaw. What the fuck? Workaround. Okay. Add circuit. Nobody understand what you mean. Maybe make a video. Yeah, I'm too sleepy to like fucking say things. Okay. So today that's we're just sending some shit and trying to make it work. Okay. Current naming of all things memory as well. If I ever want to be a group bro. Yes, Cardian. That's what I tried to explain yesterday. Okay. Okay, now that we have included the things, it will... The part that was fucked is probably correct. Yes, now it is correct. Alright, so I was just a retard. That's great. So we should have some kind of system that goes through the errors. And make sure that they don't apply to the actual file that we're parsing. Maybe. I don't even know if that's relevant. What's the output with scat.h? Well, something that we should just try right now should be to disable the quick fix that we did for arrays. and just run this. I want to see if we're now able to parse arrays with a little bit more precision now that we have unfucked the thing. Okay, no. We still have issues with arrays. So our fix is not useless. Great. So that should also mean that we would be able to find the error in there. So maybe we don't have to parse everything. Give me SCAD. Thank you. Okay, so line 2060. Use of undeclared identifier thread size. So that tells us that this line is fucked. Oh, so we could inverse the logic here. So we could process the error first, put them into a big-ass array, and if they apply to the file that we're currently parsing, we just like create a dictionary, put the errors that apply to our file, with the key being the line number, and then we will be able to easily check, do we have an error for this line? If we do, we can apply some kind of mitigation like the array thing or some other thing that might be necessary. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds like it would work. So, let's do that. Guardian, he's set in his ways. Don't even try. And this, pass should work, right? Pass is just making nothing. Yes, okay. It does. Alright. So, let's create an array inside of our AST to hold all of the errors. I want to try something. Because when we do this, it's going to return a pointer. So let's do this. Because this is an enumerator. So shouldn't it, like, enumerate? I'm trying some shit here. It does enumerate. Okay. So... Fuck my brain. True! That needed to be wrapped in box. Wait, we need this. Okay, this is going to be unhinged. You're so right. This is going to be viral AIDS. No. Oh wait. Oh, it's probably because we're I'm doing some dumb shit here, okay? So let's not do this. I want it in a box, please. Okay, fuck you, I'll do it my way. Which means F strings. Don't tell me that I can do that. I love this so much. Okay. By the way, you can... Oh, wait. You inspired me. And that's very bad. Never do that again. I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's just for the meme at this point. Oh wait, this is a valid thing, I think. Oh shit, never closed. Oh, true, I tried and it worked like half the time. We're doing it. Okay, fuck, I need to stop doing dumb shit. Okay, stop this, stop this. Abort. I was trying to be useful for once. Okay. This. Okay. So by that point, we've already parsed the thing. Good. Okay. So this works. And now we have a big block of diag. So now we can create a new function. Self. Okay. So we can do this. All right. Oh, fuck. Let's put it here. All right. Didn't we store somewhere in which file we were? File path. Okay. And we had a magic thing that we could do with this somewhere. What does get file do? I need to know again. Okay, this is what I need. Okay, we're back. We're back. Brain is having some issues here. MF, self, and then this shit should be if diag dot location something. Shit, how do we test location for a diagnosis thing? Oh, fuck it, we're just printing shit. can't read shit. Holy. Okay, what does this shit return? What does this even return? This source location. What the fuck do we read a source location? Oh, it's probably there. Yep. Source location. No. Then it's up here. Source location. Okay. Source location dot file. Okay. The file represented. That's what we need. Dot file. Okay. So we should be able to do an if on that. If this is equal to this, and we probably need to string the fuck out of it. Oh no, it's a string by default. Who gives a shit? If this is true, then we should store it in the line number. So with that, we have the line number. So we should be able to do self dot dict. We probably should just create it independently and not return anything. All right, so we just created a dictionary. Boom. You should do a clength index info, extract all of that information. I think I had some failures with UTF-8, and that's why I switched. You should do a clength index info to extract all of that information. Oh, okay, I get the meme now. I get the meme, okay. Okay, that's a nice one. Bitch. That's a nice... Yes. I'm just slow. This is so dumb. Okay, dictionary, boom. We put it at that line number. And then we could probably just iterate through those. What the fuck's the command now? I just don't know what to write. Is that right? It's another word. Fuck. Go fuck yourself. That's not how it's written, okay? No fucking way. No, okay? No, stop memeing. Stop memeing. I'm too retarded for this. There's no way. I have it somewhere. I've used the command with that name. No, no, there's two R for real. I'll fucking kill myself, bro. It's in the master file somewhere, okay? I hope. Hope. It's not. Fuck me. No, what the fuck? What the fuck? Google. Is it ITER? There's no fucking way. Bro, no. No, there was a fancy line of code. Enumerate. Fuck my ass. Oh! I'm getting raped, okay? I'm getting raped. Fucking hell. Enumerate. This... We need to frame this bitch, okay? We need to frame it now. It's not even serious. Never again will this little bitch escape me. Elaborate. Family friendly stream. Add it to rate in the comments. We need... Okay, we're safe. We're safe. Define enumerated. That's it. What's the name? Whoops. Oh, yours will probably require that I do this, right? Well, no, let's test, let's test. Will it take the dict? No, it wouldn't, because it will be... Who gives a fuck? Let's go. As the sea gods intended. As no attribute, expand Dobbs. Screw it, brother. Okay, okay, I'll use it. Oh, it's a new function. Would that be it? Well, isn't it being used already? Retard learns to learn and becomes a retard. Okay. Why does it fail this? Oh, it fails it all. I guess we don't give a fuck. Oh, it should be at the top. It should be at the top. Faith. I think it's this. I should transform it into a list before dumping it into it. Are we cooking? Maybe not. But who gives a shit? We want boxes. Okay. I'm sorry, but maybe my list is fucked. Maybe, just maybe, it's me. Of course, remove everything. Why not? Okay, I might be a retard. I'll just make sure. No, no, I'm not a retard. This is empty, somehow. Fuck this. Okay. There's something. Well then what the fuck are you doing? Oh, this doesn't work. Alright, I get it. I get it. Right, we probably need to, like, make this a string. I think I get what you're saying. But I'm not sure I want to focus on this right now. Fuck it. I think we're doing it. I don't. Yeah, I just think that right now I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing, so it's kind of hard to use something that I don't know if it's the something that doesn't work or if it's me that's retarded. I don't want to doubt your tool while I'm being dumb. That's a better way to put it. Yes. Some big box number. Right. Alright. This is all good. Alright. So now we should be able to do .get on our dict. On our dick. Okay. And so retarded. To be able to check if an error applies to the current shit we're working on. So the idea... Where is type? I skipped it. Brain. Rain. Alright. So the idea is that we can do if self dot diag dict dot get this, and here we should probably have our line numbers. Or so we can do a range thing. We can do extent. Do I need to do -1 on this? I don't think so. Ah, that's walrus operator, the fuck out of it. No. I changed my mind. And then we can probably do self.diag. Bro, please. Self.diag. So the first one should give us the number for the position. Okay, so this one, yes, this one give us the number for the position inside of this one, which we happened inside of fucked. So now we have the information about the diag thing. So this should allow us to do some magic. We should put this at the start. can put that like here. And so this should allow us to check for fucked. And here we can do if fucked. We start doing some shit. Boom. So now we're not going to do it for no reason. Only triggered if it's fucked. No, I haven't looked into other songs. So right now, if we go into union underscore, it should still be fixed. It's not. Suicide imminent. Maybe I need to do the -1 thing. I don't know, we're comparing these values with... We're comparing C-lang with C-lang, it doesn't matter. I just want to test something out. Again. Print it. Print the result. Yeah. So print fucked. If this dot spelling equals stack, which is the name of whatever the fuck this is, right? Yes, okay. If it is stack, put into ast.debug so that we can see it. We will put fucked. Here we go. I'm brain dead. Or it's empty. One or the other. The array is somehow not getting filled. Or else it would be shown. So we probably never get there. If get X. I did call him, it's line. You fucking moron. Unbearable. Crayon eating. The color blue tastes better. Holy. What the fuck? You know what? Fuck this. I'm too sleepy for this. I just need to go to sleep and write, this is fucked. Please fix. Thanks. Alright, the concept is good, but I'm a retard. I'm going to sleep. Goodbye. Love you all. Tomorrow, we're... Claude, please fix. Tomorrow, we're streaming on the other channel, so don't forget to subscribe. And... yeah. Goodbye. Okay? Goodbye. Bye-bye.